Okay, really quick tip on using zip ties on vehicles. It's not a problem to use zip ties. I mean, every now and then you got to use zip ties, especially wiring and looms and stuff like that. It's great to keep things attached. But you got to be careful. When you're reaching down into something, you don't want to hit one of those zip ties. And right here you can see, I put this on for a demonstration. See how that sharp edge is right there? That will slice you wide open. Do not cut your zip ties like that. They need to be flush like this one right here. See, that one's nice and safe. This one will zap you. Right there, I don't know if you can see that. That slice right there was like a week or week and a half ago when I was reaching in and made contact, and I just barely touched a zip tie like that and it sliced me. So if you leave zip ties like that, or if somebody else left them before you, that could end up in a trip to the hospital. So be aware of that stuff. Be safe when you're working on cars, and don't set yourself or your buddy up to get cut bad like that. And hey, as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.